welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. So today's video is going to be consistent of me doing a fully natural hair care routine on my hair, and the products I'm going to be using today is from Olaplex number 3. And I've heard, you can't really see it, I feel so bad, oh my god, whatever, but I've heard so many great benefits of the Olaplex for years. I have been researching it and I was skeptical at first, but I've heard so many great benefits that it has helped a lot of natural hair girls with my hair type or any hair type. It does help with repairing damaged hair or any type of repairs that you do need for your hair. It does help. And I just have been staring at this for a while, and I'm like, okay, so I just went to Sephora earlier today and I purchased it. Let me tell you, I purchased the number 3 and the shampoo and conditioner from Olaplex, and let me tell you, it is $28 for each bottle. And did you see this? This little thing, yes, it is 3.3 ounces. It's very small, but I've heard that it's worth it. And it, like I said, your hair gets so many great benefits from using this. So I just sucked it up and went to go buy it. So I really do not have any heat damage or color damage, but I do have some type of damage to my hair because I noticed my curls are not the same. My hair is starting to thin out, and I just need something that to bring my little juicy little curls back. And I've heard that this really has really great benefits and really helps to repair your curly hair and getting that same type of feeling for your hair that you want back. So this is what I need. Definitely going to be worth it. So I hope you guys stay tuned and keep watching for those results. What I'm going to do now is just kind of just spray my hair because it looks a freaking mess, guys. Like, I have not been taking care of my hair. My hair looks so crazy. So we are about to get started. And before I get started, I just want to say I have been through so many changes with my hair, and I just got a trim, and it just goes through so many changes. So I'm going to get back to all of my curly hair routines. I have been wearing wigs because when I work, this is a whole nother story. It is a whole nother story, but let's get started. Okay, so of course, you're supposed to use this before shampooing and conditioning your hair. There's instructions on the back of this bottle, and it says to apply on damp towel dried hair. And for me, I feel like that means a little dry but a little damp. But for me, I'm gonna make sure my hair is a little bit wet. I have watched a couple videos on how to apply it, I know, but I just want to make sure my hair is a little bit wet so that I can get most of the benefits from this hair. And plus, this bottle is small and it's $28, so I'm definitely gonna get the use of this and just gonna spray, you know, because when your hair is dry, you're basically using more than needed, and a little goes a long way, especially with $28. That is very expensive. A little will go a long way. So let's see. It smells really good, like a cleanser. Okay. 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 Oh. They should make more for girls with a little bit more hair, because I don't know how I'm gonna get all that. Okay. Probably need to damp my hair a little bit more. Doing a little something. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Okay. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have fully applied the Olaplex product to that side of my hair, and the other side of my hair is like super dry. So I just wanted to show you guys the difference and what this product is doing to my hair, and it's really enhancing my curls and bringing out my natural hair, my natural curls. So I really am starting to like this product, and also my hair feels super soft. I know that you're not going to get immediate results using this product, but so far I'm liking what I see. Okay guys, so I just finished applying all of the Olaplex #3 on my hair. So I'm liking how it looks so far. It looks pretty good. And this is what I mean by like some of my hair needs repairing, because this part of my hair just looks like loose curls. And then this part of my hair just looks like tight curls. So my hair is just doing all type of things. But it looks pretty good so far, but this is definitely what I needed. So it says on the bottle to let it sit for 10 minutes, but you know, as naturals, we don't listen to that stuff. So I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour. I'm just kidding. I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes. And then I'll be back with you guys. Okay, so I just finished washing out the Olaplex 3 out of my hair. So I'm going in with the Olaplex #4, the shampoo, and just apply it throughout my whole head. And I'm so surprised because the shampoo actually is softening to my hair. A lot of shampoos I try to avoid because it strips my hair, leaving my hair feeling super dry because it's like a cleanser. But this product, well, the shampoo is very softening to my hair, and I like it so far. So now I'm just going to go in with the #5 Olaplex conditioner. And for this, I'm just going to put my hair in sections because on the back it does say to leave on for 3 minutes or so that the product can fully penetrate throughout your whole scalp. And as I'm applying this product, my hair feels super soft. This whole line makes my hair feel super soft. I know that you're not supposed to fully use this often, but I really love this line. It's really rare for me to say I love a new line because, as you know, if you do know me, I like to stick to what I know. But so far, I'm loving these results. I did feel a little way about the shampoo. My hair did feel a little bit hard, not hard, but just a little dry, but I guess that's from the cleanser. But overall, I do not have any critiques about the product. Okay guys, so this is the final results of my hair after using the number 3, the number 4, and the number 5 of the Olaplex product line. And I love this line. I'm so happy that I purchased it, even though it was pretty pricey, but it was definitely worth it. My hair feels super soft and it feels super clean. I would definitely be using this product line again. But I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to tune into next week's video to see what I'm doing to my hair after this wash day. So stay tuned for those results. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video.